welcome to my channel. I think you all can guess what today's video is going to be about and what we're doing today. I'm going to dye my hair for the billionth time this year. The product I chose today is from Splat, obviously from the title, and it's Midnight Ruby. It's a beautiful darkish sort of red. I really like it. It looks super pretty. I actually bought this product for Haley. If you haven't seen, Haley has green hair, if you haven't known already, and I bought her the green version, I believe Midnight Emerald, and it was a beautiful green. It came out so brilliantly. The color is flawless. We're going to get started. I've never used this for myself personally. I want something I can use without bleaching my hair again, because my hair is obviously blonde now, so I'm hoping this will work out for my benefit. You get a few products in here. It's a 30-day wash kit, and it smells pretty good. It smells fantastic, just like the one that I used for Haley. The smell is so nice. You get a little booklet here of instructions, and along in the booklet, when you open the pamphlet up, you get the gloves, and it tells you in English and Spanish how to do your hair. I've already done this already, so no need for the instructions really, just maybe as a tool to go back to. You get some gloves, the standard big chunky gloves that they always give you in hair color. I don't know why they don't give you something more fitting. Like some of the other brands that are more expensive have like professional gloves, like they actually fit your hand. I really like that a lot. I wish more were like that, but I get it, they want to be cheap, you know. You also receive a packet of deep conditioner, then you get the lovely color, and super easy to use. You just put on the gloves and run it through your hair pretty much. I already cleaned my hair recently, so I don't really need to clean it again. Well, I found some scissors, chunky ones, but they'll do. You just have to get something strong enough to pop the top off. I don't even know where that went. Well, then I'll probably find it when I start vacuuming again. It's just like the color that you use traditionally, but with no bleach. So we're skipping the full bleaching part of the video, and we're getting down to the nitty-gritty of coloring. Look at that rich, beautiful red color. That is beautiful. I'm not even lying. That looks stunning. I haven't seen a red color look so red and just beautiful. It looks better in person. Like it's a darkish red, but like a vibrant red at the same time. Like, I really like this red. It kind of looks like blood in a way. I'm just saying. I didn't kill anyone, I swear. I'm just doing my hair. So if people look at my garbage and are like, who did she kill? I didn't kill anyone. Leave me alone. I don't know you. So yeah, we're going to run the color through our hair. I don't have any of those little tiny hair comb brush things because those are just trash anyway. You can easily saturate your hair. It's great for long hair as well. Haley has really long hair, and it worked so well with her. It gave her full amazing coverage, and it looked absolutely great for Halloween, and it still looks great too. And this one you just wait about an hour. It says, I believe, 30 minutes, but to fully get the process done you want an hour. If you're very comfortable, maybe 2, but it's not really needed 2 hours. But if you want to do that, you can. It's an option. I like to do just 1 hour because that's, I think, all I can handle. So we're going in with the color, and it's already looking so great in the mirror here that I'm looking at. I've never had this good of a red ever. It's great for a lot of different hair color ranges, so lucky for that. Try to get in this little section right here. Right here where I'm always missing is right in the forehead area. It smells very good, by the way. In case you're wondering, it doesn't smell toxic or vile or anything like that. It smells really good. It smells like a conditioner, and it doesn't smell up your whole house, so no one will ever know that you colored your hair. Like with other ones, they kind of have a smell to them. This one doesn't, so good to them. It kind of smells like a bubblegum sweet sort of candy smell. It's so much product. So I'm just like, wow. And I thought Haley's hair had a lot. This is a lot. Haley had a ton of color in her hair, but shoot, mine is like, whoa. Make sure all your hair is completely saturated with color. But be careful not to get in your eyes or on anything important too, because it will stain. Didn't mention that before. It's very runny. I think if you have short hair, you don't need that much. I think I probably really oversaturated already. Gold. Well, I think I have enough color on now. We're going to wait an hour and see what happens. And I'm going to clean this off of my neck. I forgot to mention that it stains. It stains anything and everything. It stains your tub. It stains anything it touches, pretty much. What you need to do is spray it with some alcohol and peroxide. That will help with removing some of the color. So be very careful while using this product. I just found out something really cool. The Hello Bello baby wipes actually help get rid of some of the color. The time is up on my hair color. You rinse out the color, then you have to use shampoo. I'm going to use my brand new shampoo from Hask, and it's the Biotin Boost formula, and it's awesome, and it smells amazing too. It smells so clean and refreshing. I definitely recommend you checking it out. Then I'm going to follow it with the Deep Reconstructor conditioner, and that's after you shampoo your hair and you leave it in for about 20 minutes and then you rinse it out. So there's a lot of waiting around with this hair color. I'm going to wash out, do all the steps, and come back to you with how it looks. Okay, you and I together, let's look at what we have here. So I have my mirror here, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. I can see some red right here, so I'm hoping it turned out good. Oh, look at that. Oh, snaps. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that color. Put that over there. Wow. That is red. Okay. So I'm going to blow dry my hair because it's like still pretty wet. And I'm going to use the Hask Biotin Boost Thickening Spray. It's a leave-in spray. It's just like a plumping spray for your hair, so you can like style it the way you want to with ease. Put this all around. It smells so good. Okay, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair, so I'll be back. Oh my god, it's done. Look at this color. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy I did this. Full coverage, flawless. The only issue I have with the whole color process is that it gets everywhere. It stains everything, including your skin. Anything that touches, it stains. But I guess it's worth it in the end, because look at this full coverage. I love the red. This is what I'm talking about. This is amazing. The Midnight Ruby from Splat is everything. It does work so amazing. 30 washes. I love it. I highly recommend it. Highly, highly, highly. I'm obsessed with the red. It's something to get used to, I know, but I love it. Thank you so much for watching my Splat Midnight Ruby hair coloring video. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. While you're here as well, why not pick out something great for yourself or someone special by checking out all the referral links and coupon codes down below in the description. You won't be disappointed, I'm sure of it. And I'm like digging this hair. It's like kind of like Sally vibes. Love it. Talk to you later. Bye everyone.